Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies. I'll be picking more cards from another deck for y'all for your relationship and career circumstance. Taurus. So this is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, Taurus. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. And this is an intuitive reading, so at some point you may get answers for some questions or some circumstances you are thinking about today, Taurus. So please watch till the end. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. So we have Three of Spheres, Four of Suns, and the Moon. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are working in a very harmonious way, Taurus. Maybe in your life, you see good friends with you, helping you, guiding you, and you have a good team you are working with. So people appreciate your skills and talents, and the same way you appreciate their skills and talents, and you are working together as a good team, part of a positive team, efficient team, and that is working in a magical way. You are seeing success today in your circumstances. It may be in your career or it may be in this personal life, in your relationship. You are having that team spirit, a sense of belonging, and a greater sense of understanding. And this person admires you and respects you for all you are. So you have a beautiful understanding and you love each other. You have mutual love, respect, and caring, and you're seeing a great sweetness in this relationship, a good understanding, perfect understanding, and things are moving towards something really good, something really positive. And your reputation is growing with this person. They feel truly confident and happy to be with you, to be happy in this connection. And you are having a good time. Maybe you are, after a long time, you are spending time with your friends or family. All your dreams and goals, whatever you had, whatever you were wishing for, all that is falling into place, Taurus. Dreams about this relationship, dreams about this person, all that is coming true, and you feel that you are unconsciously feeling inspired or feeling drawn to this person, drawn to this person in some way, happy to be with them, because there's some kind of an attraction and inexplicable attraction you have towards this person, something tying you both together in this connection. There is a huge what to say, bond or a deep bond in this relationship. It's a very positive way you feel towards this person, Taurus. And maybe for some of you, if you are in away from someone you love, or if some person is away from you, maybe they love you, but for some reason you have not been meeting each other. this person is definitely coming back, Taurus. So some kind of a reunion, chances of reunion are also there today for y'all. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Treasure Island. This is a very auspicious card, Taurus. So, in your life today, whatever you wished for is coming true. So, maybe you are thinking about marriage, commitment, it is coming true today. Or if you are thinking about some success in your career, that is also coming true. This card is a true blessing in our reading, guys. And just like finding a treasure, you are going to be so happy for having found this person and feeling really grateful for them to be here with you. And this love is something out of the world you feel, and maybe it is moving towards marriage or commitment, Taurus. So, for your career circumstance, we picked one card, Taurus. We will see what it is. Chaos and conflict. So, there are some changes happening today in your life. Maybe you may feel that whatever you are doing today, you are not seeing the results. Something is obstructing, some kind of obstacles, lack of clarity. But you need to understand that this chaos is divinely ordained. It may be your karma or destiny, the reason for things happening in this way. But you need to understand that this is happening for something much better to come in your life. Some new beginning is coming towards you, Taurus. You can be happy for that. So that is the energy with these cards, Taurus. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So the reading with the first card for those who chose this card. Tambulina, expectations. So with this card, in your circumstances, maybe you are an unique person, you are different, and it may be really challenging trying to adapt with the people you have in your life, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, because you are someone different, and it is a challenge to blend in your circumstances. And maybe you may see some rejection in your life, maybe because of the way you are, but you need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and you do not have to accept any relationship you do not love. So you must you should not live for others expectations. You must go for that love that you really want to, and you must be with people you are really comfortable with. You should not try to be with someone with whom you are not at all comfortable with. And you will find the right person who will be the right one for you, who will be, uh, what to say, who will be the right one in your circumstances. You will have that respect and caring for each other, and you must give up all those people who do not value you for what you are. So that is the energy with this card. And you must see these challenges as something, some experience that where you learn so much. So that is also the energy here. You must not feel sad or stressed, but see your circumstance as an experience giving you a higher learning today. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Moonstone. So, with this card in your circumstances, your intuition is telling you something, and it is something really important, and you feel that you cannot believe what your intuition is telling you. Maybe your senses are telling you something else. Maybe you see something, you believe in that, you believe in what you see or what you hear, but what your intuition is telling you is something right opposite to what you experience. So it is something you don't want to what to say go for. You don't want to make any decision based on your intuition, but you need to understand that your intuition is right. It is telling you something which cannot be seen by your senses, and your intuition is coming from that conscious universe, that which is part of our subconscious. So you're getting that heeding or that pointers from that conscious universe, and conscious universe is never wrong. So in your circumstances, whatever your intuition is telling you, you must listen to it. And guys, if you practice meditation, if you are interested in meditation and if you practice it, it is going to help you a lot. It is going to increase your intuition, and it is going to give you more clarity in your circumstances today. So in your relationship or in your career, whatever that inner voice is telling you, you must listen to it, and that is going to benefit you. And that is going to benefit you, and that is your primary sense, and you need to be really honest with yourself if you want to make the right decisions and go for the right path today. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.